Hey, Carlene. I have a few questions for you. I always work with first-time home buyers, and they always come to me and say, how much money can I afford on a mortgage? What would you say to them?
Well, that really depends on what product or program you choose to go with. There's a variety out there with as little as 3% down. Most require some sort of down payment. The only programs I'm aware of that don't require any down payment would be a Veterans Home Loan or USDA, which is specific to rural areas. So it would have to be in a certain area.
Okay, so an average person would have to give down, what, 3% or 3.5%?
Typically 3 or 3.5%. FHA is a very popular first-time home buyer program that requires 3.5% down payment.
Okay, so I'm going to act completely naive and dumb on this, and I have a whiteboard. All right, so Carlene, on a mortgage of $150,000, what would be the monthly payment?
Sure. The approximate monthly payment, because we don't know the actual property taxes and we haven't gotten a homeowner's insurance binder, those items get updated once you find a property. But an approximate payment would be, for principal and interest, $748.93.
Okay.
For homeowner's insurance, we estimate $85.
Okay.
Mortgage insurance, because you're not putting down 20% on an FHA mortgage, would be $102.53.
Okay.
And then you have your property taxes, and we're estimating those at $250. So your total payment for a $150,000 purchase using FHA financing will be $1,186.46.
Very reasonable.
Almost cheaper than a rent.
It truly is. Now let me ask you, what if they found a house that was $160,000? Would their payment go up that much?
Typically the payment would increase approximately $50 per $10,000 in purchase price.
So they could get a lot more house for only $50.
Correct.
Increase. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Another question I have for you. Someone approached me the other day, and they're about 75, 80 years old, and they said, do you think I can get a mortgage?
Absolutely. There's no discrimination regarding age and for any loan, for any mortgage loan.
Oh, that's wonderful.